Hi everybody, this is Ben with WTI, and I'm here in the Cook Islands to show you the power converter by Ceptics. When I knew I was going to be traveling to New Zealand and the Cook Islands, I needed a converter to charge all my stuff, and that's where this little baby comes in handy. Let me show you some things I like about it. As you can see, here in the South Pacific, the plugs are different than in North America, and that's where the adapter comes in handy. You've got those angled plugs. You got two USB ports there on the top and a regular plug, so you can plug in some of your devices and maybe even have more chargers going. Just keep an eye on the voltage. So if you're going to be in the South Pacific, Cook Islands, New Zealand, some other places, the Ceptics power adapter worked perfectly. We were able to keep everything charged and keep ourselves connected, even though we're far from home. It was a great buy, and that's my point of view.